research design, under that processes there are different steps, and that steps will be designated by research design. It also acts as the foundation of a research study. हमारे जो study है उसका base जो होता है वो research design होता है. A good research design is reliable, valid, neutral and generalizable. That means if the research design is good, it can be used in different settings. So whatever results that are coming will come in every setting, in every population. So that is a characteristic or criteria of a good research design. There are different types of research design. So now we are going to see what are the types of research design. So talking about the classification, research design are of two types, quantitative and qualitative. So as the name suggests, quantify and qualify. So quantitative is again of two types, experimental and non-experimental. Whereas qualitative is again of two types, interactive and non-interactive. So let's discuss what are all this. Before going into that, we will compare between the research designs. So I have mentioned that there are two forms of research designs, qualitative and quantitative. Let's see. So qualitative research design will be flexible in nature, whereas quantitative will be rigid. So qualitative research design can be changed, but quantitative will be structured. So we cannot change the study design if we are talking about quantitative. The sampling in qualitative will be non-probability. That means you can't predict. Whereas the sampling will be probability. That means there is chances of taking the data which is, you can say, predicted data. Qualitative